You can't interact with certain account right now, Instagram problem. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix you can't interact with certain account right now on Instagram problem. So to fix this problem now, I'll show you two methods. So the first method is now go to your Play Store or App Store and update your Instagram app. After you come to Play Store, App Store, just search for Instagram and update your Instagram. After you finish updating your Instagram, now the second method to fix this problem is now go to your Instagram app. After you open your Instagram app like this now, go to your menu. So after you open up your profile like this now, so most of the time, the reason why Instagram giving you that you can't interact with certain accounts right now is because you are following many accounts at the same time. So if you are following many accounts at the same time, from there Instagram will track your account like it's a robot account. So all you need to do now, stop following many people on Instagram and stop liking many posts on Instagram and stop commenting on many posts on Instagram. If you stop that for like 2 to 3 days, from there Instagram will lift all this restriction from your account. That's it guys on how to fix this problem. Hope this information helps. Please like and subscribe.